So we're out here at a nursery in Charlotte, North Carolina. We figured we'd come together and show you guys some things that can and should be planted during the fall and winter time.
Weeping Norway spruce. They are ginormous. These are like dinosaur lifelong plants. They just have this beautiful weeping habit. You give them space, texture. They will grow, yeah.
Yeah, they're gorgeous texture.
This is a really fun.
So obviously you can plant these throughout the entire year.
Yeah.
Great to plant during the winter time. Still giving you a nice green color year round.
Soft.
Yeah, they are actually soft. And they got a cool shape to them. It provides some uniqueness to your landscape when you have these in there.
Absolutely. I agree.
So we dig these.
And they get little pine cones. See the baby cones that are coming? Okay, what's next?
So great to plant during the winter time.
Yeah, so if you want to have something that's not green but still provides you some shade, purple plum is a great option.
Yeah.
So this is the flower structure, and it's dry right now, but it kind of looks like a little hops, you know, like hops, what you make beer out of?
Beer hops.
Yeah, so this Hop-Hornbeam, Carpinus caroliniana, has some fun interest through the winter, which is going to be these little fruiting structures that are left, and it has some cool characteristics through the winter. This is a weeping redbud. This is the Golden Falls Cercis canadensis, native to North Carolina. The redbuds are a native to North America. And this is a beautiful specimen piece for a statement that you want to have in your garden. This would be the vertical statement. You would want to plant some things around it, and you can absolutely plant this any time of the year, especially winter time.
Amanda, give us the lowdown on dogwoods.
Dogwoods are also a native plant, and they are a spring flowering tree. They'll provide some white flowers in the spring that are a little bit fragrant, and then throughout the season they'll be really this beautiful green foliage, and then through the winter they start to turn yellow, red, orange, and when it gets very cold then they drop all of the leaves and they just are standing tall and proud in their most beautiful upright form in your landscape. Variegated is when it has two colors within the leaf, and so this one in particular has a dark green center and a light green yellowish edge. And variegated is just giving it a two-tone. This is a Kousa dogwood. It is a very beautiful, small ornamental tree that flowers in the spring with little white star flowers. And this particular variety that has the variegated leaves gives you some really beautiful colors within your landscape. So this is so cool, this Fatsia Japonica. This is a shade-loving, really fun texture, and it's actually flowering right now. So if you can see those little white flowers, and it has a little bit of a sweet fragrance, and these get like these really fun Jurassic-like leaves, and I love this one for your shade garden.
So if you couldn't already tell, we absolutely love our plants. Thanks for checking us out. And continue to learn and watch along as we teach you more about the landscaping and the plants that you could put in your yard.